In this video, we replace the Haldex coupling oil and filter on a Ford Kuga, equipped with the 4th generation coupling using Febi kit 181848. This coupling is also used on some Land Rover and Volvo models. The Haldex coupling is an electro-hydraulic system attached to the rear differential, which allows the vehicle to switch between front and all-wheel drive as required. This process creates a high degree of friction between the metallic components within the system, which degrades them over time. However, these manufacturers do not have a recommended routine servicing schedule for this Haldex coupling, it being described as a filled for life or non-serviceable item, and no drain plug is provided. With the vehicle raised, locate the hydraulic pump at the front of the coupling. Unclip the wiring harness and remove the 2 retaining bolts. Then remove the hydraulic pump to drain the oil from the coupling. With the pump removed, inspect the filter gauze for any debris and clean as necessary. It is common for the filter media to become overloaded, which causes the hydraulic pump to fail. Therefore, to prolong the life of the system, it is recommended to replace the coupling oil and filter every 48,000 kilometers or every 3 years, whichever comes first. This reduces the risk of pump failure and increases the life of the Haldex coupling clutch pack and bearings. Refit the pump into the coupling housing, tighten the retaining bolts, and refit the wiring harness. Locate the filter on top of the housing and remove the 2 retaining cap bolts. Remove the cap and the filter and inspect. Lubricate the O-rings on the new filter and cap before installing. Insert the new filter element and tighten the 2 cap retaining bolts. With the oil drained and the new filter installed, locate the filler plug and remove. Fill the coupling with fresh oil until it is just below the level and refit the plug. Lower the vehicle and carry out a road test.